Presenting Lifelong 2.7-liter stainless steel insulated casserole. It is available in silver color. The stainless steel body inner and outer surface of double-walled casserole keeps your food hot for hours. This unique design casserole is simple and easy to carry. Integrated handle helps in carrying your food from kitchen to dining table easily. Ideal for home and outings, it is a versatile and virtually appealing casserole that will improve the overall decor of your kitchen and dining space. Lightweight and compact with firmer grip and attractive design with 2700 ml capacity to store food content. This casserole is dishwasher safe. Its interior pan boasts polyurethane foam insulation and an impressive thermal rating, guaranteeing extended temperature preservation. Package contents: casserole, warranty card. Presenting Pigeon by Stovecraft Large Handy and Compact Chopper. This chopper is available in the color green, green and transparent, grey, multicolor. It is also available in 400 ml and 650 ml capacity. Handy Chopper Large is made from polypropylene, PP, for long-lasting use. Handy Chopper Large comes with sturdy 3-blade design made from stainless steel, as this chopper by Pigeon can be opened and detached easily. Cleaning is an easy task using lukewarm water, mild detergent and a soft cloth. Unique string function of Handy Chopper Large helps to chop vegetables and fruits with ease. Handy Chopper Large has eco-friendly design, no electricity required, convenient and easy handling. Package contents: piece Pigeon Handy Chopper Large with 3 stainless steel blade.
And today I'll be talking about this incredible vegetable pull chopper. Let me show you. This amazing chopper is made from durable, high quality plastic and features a stainless steel 5-blade design. It has a capacity of 900 ml and can chop everything from onions and garlic to fruits and vegetables in just a few seconds, saving you a lot of effort and time otherwise spent on chopping. This chopper comes with a unique string function and an anti-slip silicone base, making it extremely easy to use. You'll never be able to go back to the regular chopping once you've tried this.
With no added dyes or paint and is thus environment friendly. The board measures 20 by 30 by 1.8 cm and is brown in color. It is as strong and bent as hardwood, but unlike glass or plastic cutting boards, won't dull the expensive kitchen knives. The premium finish metal handle adds a classy look to your kitchen and makes it easy to carry or handle always. This cutting board is perfect for cutting all types of meat and vegetarian, non-vegetarian food. So if you're looking for a cutting board that is safe and durable, the Rusabl bamboo chopping board is the perfect choice for you. In the world of cooking, having the right tools at your fingertips can transform your kitchen activities from ordinary to extraordinary. Today, we will dive deep into the must-have kitchen tools that every home chef should consider. These are the essentials that will empower you to create delicious food with precision and care. Knives, the heart of your culinary arsenal. Let's start with the unsung heroes of the kitchen. Knives. A good knife is more than just a tool. It's an extension of your hand. Invest in a set of high-quality knives, including chef's knife, kitchen knife, serrated knife, and a trusty wood knife. A sharp, well-balanced knife is the foundation of every great knife. Cutting boards, your trusty culinary canvas. Now, let's talk about the stage where the cutting board is cutting boards. Choose cutting boards made of wood, plastic, or bamboo, and have a variety of sizes and handles. Not only do they protect your countertops, but they also provide a clean and safe surface for all your chopping, slicing, and dicing operations. Measuring tools. Precision is key. Cooking is as much science as it is art, and precise measurements are crucial. Equip your kitchen with measuring cups and spoons to ensure your ingredients are perfectly portioned. For making and cooking, a kitchen scale is a game changer, providing unparalleled access to utensils, the workhorse helpers. In the realm of utensils, the options are endless. Spatulas, tongs, and ladles are essential for stirring, flipping, and serving the culinary kitchen. Each utensil is together they are perfect plan. Peeler and grater. Prep work made effortless. Peeler and graters might be humble, but they are indispensable. They make quick work of peeling vegetables, grating cheese, or whisking citrus, leaving your precious time in the kitchen. Baking sheets, your versatile culinary canvas. For those who love the art of baking sheets are your canvases. They are perfect for cookies, roasted vegetables, and so much more. Invest in a variety of sizes and styles to accommodate all your needs. Ovens and barbecue. Safety and comfort. Never underestimate the importance of safety in the kitchen. Oven mitts and hot coolers protect your hands from scorching heat as they handle hot pans and pots. They are your biggest safety net. Pigeon or colander. With ease. When it comes to draining pasta and vegetables, a full rinsing blade, a strainer, or a colander is a reliable partner. Make sure you have one on hand for easy food prep. As you embark on your culinary journey, remember that these kitchen tools are more than just utensils. They are your favorite partners. Choose quality, maintain them with care, and watch your cooking prowess soar. Whether you're crafting everyday meals or culinary masterpieces, the right kitchen tools are your key to culinary success. Happy cooking!